Alright guys, so today I'm going to show you how to get rigs. So first go to type in any rig you want.
The phone number is all we got. I run this phone number through a database called Clear.
And then
I found a match right away.
go
The results show
get
that the phone belonged to a 23-year-old male.
any four of these at the top.
Casey Chin lived was in Burnsville, which is about an hour
So
south of
I'm using these two. Sonic Mania Rig Sprites and Sonic 3 Rig V4.
We had nothing on this individual. That gave me some relief, but also at the same time, maybe he's been under the radar.
As you see, I put this together, so.
It also appeared that he had a social media presence. He had multiple pictures of young girls, appeared to be in high school. We found out that he was a coach for a local high school team. Once I had seen the nature of the conversations that they were having and knowing that this was an adult man that had made arrangements to pick up two 13-year-old girls, I was extremely
Get your background. And then go to foreground.
We began an emergency phone thing to attempt to locate where his cell phone was at. And hopefully the girls...
Like I said, I'm using Mania.
There are times that we can locate a device within 10 meters. In this case, unfortunately, the strength of signal was not great, and we were given a cell phone ping information with a 4-mile radius.
So first, start off with the head.
Chin's home, but it also included parts of the international airport and the hotel.
This is about Sonic's height.
Potential radius. If they were near the airport, are they planning to leave somewhere, or are they just simply using a hotel near the airport? If he had rented a room there, then it would be difficult for us to find him in these hotels. The radius of Casey's cell phone ping also included Mall of America. There are hundreds of stores as well as a full amusement park in the center of the mall. Searching an area that large with no further information would be incredibly difficult. So we had to make some decisions on where
so now we just finished his body.
We decided to prioritize checking his home first in the hopes that that
Go
was where he was versus the other larger areas.
I mean, if you pick the body with hands, then you're finished.
A young man answered the door, and he confirmed he was Casey Chin. Casey was asked if anyone was in the house with him, and he indicated there wasn't. I told Casey that we were going to enter his house. We asked Casey to step out of the home. He leaned into me and said, "I have to tell you something."
I was not expecting to be...
If you can't fit the image out, then just do this. Press done. And then press the pencil button when you're moving it. Now press eraser, because that's the only one that works.
At the heart of every Buick SUV is you.
And erase everything that you're not using.
Plus, current eligible non-GM owners get $750 purchase allowance on 2023 Buick Encore GS models.
Yeah, I got one. How about the best network imaginable? Let's invent that.
You don't have time for lag or butt right? Who doesn't want internet that helps AI do your homework even faster?
Come again? Sorry, what was that?
The next generation 10G network only from Xfinity.
This is ready. Go online. Any questions? Yeah, I got one. How about the best?
Alright, so that's it.
Hey, should you be drinking that?
It's decaf. Because we're busy women. We don't have time for lager butt, right? Who doesn't want internet that helps AI do your homework even faster?
Come again?
Sorry, what was that?
Introducing the next generation to do not only spinning the future.
Pick it again.
All out. Decked out. Lob out. All out.
Then get his left hand,
Find out. Try it
left
out.
arm, whatever.
Check it out and get out. At REACT Co-op, we want you to spend more time outside our doors than in there. REACT Co-op. All out.
When you decide you want to lose weight, you could try counting calories.
Could be like a good
Or
position
you
for
can 60
him.
years of science with Weight Watchers, a program that turns 6 complex nutritional variables into
Should this
simple
be a good
ones.
position?
Start today. Hurry, offer ends soon.
With Nurtec ODT,
I think it should.
my migraine attacks all in one.
Dermatake is allergic to Nurtec. Allergic reactions can occur even days after using. Most common side effects were nausea, indigestion, and stomach pain. Talk to your doctor about Nurtec today.
What if you could make analyzing a big bank's data no big deal?
Go on.
Well, what if you partner with IBM and Red Hat, use a hybrid cloud solution to connect data across...
Did we just see this ad? That's pretty good.
Standards? Yep.
Compliance standards?
Mm-hmm.
So they get the insights they need.
Yep.
In real time.
Check.
To make quick decisions.
Check.
And check.
That's the solution IBM and a global bank
Yep,
created.
and that's pretty much good.
IBM. That's great.
Open a People's Bank
Then
Momentum
now
Checking
get your other
savings
character
account and earn up to $400.
if you want
Every
to.
debit card purchase will be
Or not,
bumped up to
actually,
the
get it
$1
looked up.
and the change will be deposited straight into your Momentum savings account. Spend,
No.
save, repeat. Apply online today. Member FDIC, Equal Housing Lender.
Get your next royalty.
Do the same thing.
No appointment needed. And all these courtesy services will be included. We even vacuum. And clean exterior windows. Plate and oil change? That's a job for Jiffy.
At People's Bank, we help business owners grow their business. Our financial mentors have the experience, products, and services needed to help your business thrive. We listen to your business goals and offer personalized solutions. And for a limited time, save up to $1,260 with our special offers for business clients. Call 717-747-1591 today to learn more. People's Bank, we're business people bank. Member FDIC, Equal Housing Lender. At People's Bank, we help business owners grow their business. We listen to your business goals and offer personalized solutions. And for a limited time, save up to $1,260 with our special offers for business clients. Call 717-747-1591 today to learn more. People's Bank, we're business people bank. Member FDIC, Equal Housing Lender. What is love, baby?
I remember almost exactly how it happened actually. There was a knock at the front door. Casey had us hide behind the couch. After a few minutes, I hear like a bunch of people start stomping down the stairs. And I was crying, and my friend was crying, and we didn't know what was going on. We were really scared to look. And eventually, one of the police found us and started going for everyone else. Oh, we found them, they're back here.
3 reasons why I love this beach bag. Number 1, it's spacious. Number 2, it's waterproof. Number 3, I can customize it as I wish. And there are many colors to choose. Now it has 90% off discount on Temu. Only for $2.16. Click on the video to shop now.
Found them. Relief washed over me. I just went home and, I hugged my husband. I hugged my mom.
Open it.
It was just an immediate, huge relief, followed by wondering, what had he done to them while they were with him.
At the police station, I was still in a lot of shock. And after my police investigation, I went to the hospital to get a sexual assault exam. That was still very shocking. It took a really long time to process that this happened and this was actually Caleb.
Casey Chin was arrested and taken into custody for kidnapping.
Alright, so when did you meet up? How long ago was it?
We met on a neighbor probably about a month ago. And we just started talking.
Alright, so that's it for now.
Casey started telling me he had been contacted by these two girls.
I'll show you how to do it
He
on
explained
Flipper
that
Clip.
he was told that
Save
they
it.
were in abusive households and wanted to get out because
Save
it wasn't
it
safe
as
for
which
them.
one?
But based on everything that the investigation had shown to that point, there was no indication of abuse or bad homes for either one of the girls.
When I was a teenager,
That's how
my
you do
mom
it.
and I started